let's start with today's session. Here we go. Okay, so look at this. Here we have some exponents of vocabulary related to natural disasters. So please, could you do me a favor? Let's see in the screen what are the words, what is the vocabulary, and could you write in the chat what are the ones that are non-familiar for you, the words that you don't know? Okay, can you hear me? Can you listen to me? Okay, do me a favor. Write in the chat what are the words that you don't know, the ones that are here in the screen. So, for example, if you don't know what those floods mean, what is hazard, okay, write the words that you don't know. Okay, so can't you listen to me? Don't worry. What we are going to do is that I am going to write the directions here in the screen. All right. So please, could you write in the chat the words that you don't know? Okay, so now please can you write it in the chat? Okay, thank you very much. Alfredo, you wrote floods. Floods, yes. Floods is a situation that happens when there is a lot of water. It has been raining, maybe raining too much, and the water covers the houses. They are the floods. Okay? Can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Okay, yes. So, yes, floods is when the water covers the houses because maybe it has been raining too much. Drought. Drought is when there is no rain at all. So the land, the earth is dry. Here we have a drought. Look at this. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. Here it is. This is a drought. Okay. Blizzard. A blizzard is a storm where the wind blows a lot of snow. It's a snowstorm. Okay. All right. So what about hazard? Hazard is a condition. Something hazardous is something risky. When there is a risk in any situation, it is hazard. Okay, so it's a synonym. Okay, so Blanca Patty, no, it is general one. Okay, Blanca Patty, yes, the level is general one. Okay, so let's go with the next. Landslides. Landslides is a movement that happens in the earth when it is very dry, or the opposite, when it is very wet. And so there are many damages. Here we have a landslide. Can you see it? It is in the bottom part of the page at the right. It's a landslide. Okay. So you wrote also. I think that's all. So, do you have any doubts? No, is everything okay? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, thank you very much. So, I have a question. The question is this: could you write in the chat some other words, some other natural disasters that you know? No, do you know more natural disasters? Okay, Janet, pretty good. A hurricane, excellent. Any other? Okay, a storm. Very good, Alfredo. The perfect storm. That's a movie picture. All right, excellent. So, anybody else? Any other phenomenon? Any other natural disaster? Okay, big snowstorms. Hey, thank you very much, Blanca. Yes, that's it. All right. So let's go to the next. Please, let's go to the next page. Here we are. So can't you see? Here we have some other natural disasters. So please, could you tell me what is it? What is this image? Hello? Can you hear me? Aha, it's a fire in a forest. Very good. Thank you very much, Alfredo. Okay, so let's move. Let's move on to the next image. And please tell me, do you know what it is it? Hello. Aha, well, yes, Alfredo, it could be a tsunami. Any other opinion? Somebody else? Yes, the question, Janet, is what is it? The image that you are seeing in here, what is it? A flood, all right, Blanca, pretty good. No, it's okay, Janet, don't worry. Yes, it could be a flood or it could be a tsunami. Why not? Aha, a tsunami maybe. Or is it a hurricane? Maybe a huge wave. Excellent. All right, thank you very much. So now please, let's go to this image. What is it? Aha, hurricane. Okay, thank you. An earthquake. Okay, Alfredo, thank you very much. Yes, it could be an earthquake. A tornado. Maybe, yes, you're right. It could also be a tornado. Okay, and so what about the last image? What happened in here? A mud flood, all right, maybe. Or it could also be an earthquake. Well, yes, there could be some different situations. Anyway, they are natural disasters. Okay, please, could we pay attention to this phrase? It says, we cannot stop natural disasters, but we can arm ourselves with knowledge. So many lives wouldn't have to be lost if there was enough disaster preparedness. It was said by Petra Nemkova. So, what do you understand for this phrase? What do you think? Hello, can you hear me? Let's try to speak, okay? Okay, I believe we cannot know. Yes, that's it. We don't know, Blanca. Maybe they are, well, in our opinion, it could be an earthquake or a tornado. We don't know. Okay, so look at this. Aha, Blanca Patti, very good. Natural disasters are fast and unpredictable. Unpredictable.
Este, some maybe in the UNAM, en el Centro de Ciencias de la Atmósfera, Atmosphere Center, the research for the tornadoes, um, storms and others phenomena, others problems,
Other phenomenons.
others phenomena study in this center. and the Popocatépetl is studied now in the geophysical,
Yeah,
geophysical, uh,
geophysical.
geophysical, and maybe is predictable. Some okay. Some disasters. The semaphore. How do you say semaphore in English?
Traffic light.
Traffic light for the Popocatépetl is very, very important.
Yes, you're right. And yes, as you said, some of them are predictable, some others are not. But anyway, I think that it is very necessary that we take it into consideration and try to be prepared for facing some of those disasters.
Yes.
Okay, so guess what? Um, thank you very much, Blanca. I like you to be here very much. Okay, here you are. Look at this. Well, I'm sorry, it is not very clear, but here we have some ideas about an emergency backpack. What do you think about it? Do you have an emergency backpack? What about you, Alfredo? Do you have an emergency backpack?
No, I have the only the papers, escrituras, actas, and I have the scanner, que scan some the papers, personal papers, in the Google Drive.
Mhm.
Eh, eh, this in Drive no loss.
Yes, yes, that's
I,
it.
I prefer this the cloud.
You're right. Time ago, it was necessary to have the physical documents. Nowadays, it is not so necessary if you have a drive. So technology works. It helps a lot.
Yeah, and is very easy to recover the papers or the PDF in the cloud.
Yes,
And
that's it.
when I the seguro, how do you say seguro?
Insurance?
Insurance. Only send the PDF with the all police, all the
Uh,
police at the
with
house
all the,
and the car and that's all.
yep, that's it. So you know what? I was thinking also, what would it happen if an earthquake or an event, my title, my cédula profesional, and but everything is in the cloud, and even nowadays they are electronic documents. So there's not such a problem with that, with those.
Yes. Now the cédula profesional is electronic and the acta de nacimiento,
Mm,
born paper, born
the
paper.
born, the registration,
Okay, born registration is electronic.
yeah,
Uh,
even
born,
yep, even the corp and everything. So it is not necessary to have any physical document nowadays. All right.
yes.
Aha, look at this. Thank you. So Blanca Patti wrote that how can we know when a disaster is coming? Yes, well, as Alfredo said, some of the natural disasters are predictable. For example, Alfredo, you talked to us about hurricanes, uh, maybe some volcano eruptions. And what else, Alfredo? What of these natural disasters could be predictable?
The Popocatépetl is the estalled, explode,
Eruption.
eruption, the Popocatépetl eruption, and tornados in el CNA in the UNAM, and geophysical, the earthquakes, es eruption, the volcans, and in astronomy, uh, how do you say, explosion, the uh, radiation,
Yeah,
radiation,
the solar flares.
solar flare. Yes, that's yeah. And the other thing, the solar wind, the affect this causa. How do you say causa?
Hospice?
Hospitals, problems in the heart when the heart is mechanical.
Aha, yes, that's it. I guess that the ones that are not predictable yet are earthquakes. Am I right? Or are they now predictable?
Yes, no is predictable, but maybe have 1-3 minutes, and is good. Have, have the 3 minutes for the save their life.
Aha, yeah, that's it. So, well, yes, here they wrote also that you would have flashlights. Yes, Blanca, flashlights, a bottle of water. Okay, Janet said, I only have a first aid kit. Yes, that's good. Blanca, first aid kits, insurance papers. We cannot know when a disaster comes, so we need to be sure where are our stuff. Yeah, I agree. Nowadays, it's raining here, so I cannot speak because of the bad signal, bad weather. Oh, Blanca, it's okay. Yeah, don't worry. Even in here, I have the same problem because it has been raining cats and dogs. Well, you know what? It is an expression. Don't think about cats and dogs falling from the sky. It's raining cats and dogs. It's a British expression that is used whenever it is raining a lot. But it's, well, a climate problem, something that happens naturally when the weather is not very good. Yes, it's raining cats and dogs. All right, so guess what? Now, here I have that we may need a cellular phone, a mobile, with credit, of course, and with charge. So, do you think that it is necessary? Why? Why do you think it would be necessary? So please do me a favor. Let's write what and why. For example, I would need a cellular phone for having communication. Here. You know what? I would like you to pay attention, especially to this form. I was using for having communication. For is for is a preposition. When we use a preposition and after the preposition we use a verb, the verb must be used in gerund form. Here we have for having communication, for calling my family, for asking for help. Okay, Blanca. When there are earthquakes, cell phones do not work. Oh yes, you're right. That's true. Okay, so what else do you consider would be necessary? Okay, it's without just we can use the internet and apps like WhatsApp. Excellent. Alfredo wrote, I experienced the 1985 earthquake, and 2 years ago the smartphone didn't work. Yes, you're right. Janet, I would need a cellular phone for calling emergency numbers for help. Janet, pretty good. Excellent. Okay, so well, I talked about the cellular phone, but what about a small flashlight, an extra batteries, hand cleaner, a first aid kit, disposable gloves? So could you give me more examples like this? Okay, pretty good. So Alfredo wrote, not always, Blanca, remember they are cells. All right, Blanca. 2017, we communicated by apps in the cell phones. Okay, Janet, in Yucatan, when a hurricane comes, they cut the light, so we need a flashlight to see in the night. Wow, excellent. Okay, so candles, yes. Well, I think that yes, it would be necessary. Okay, in Toluca, when there are technical fails, you use candles. That's so wise. Okay, so because of the storms. Yes, that's it. You're right. Electrical storms. Aha, yeah, it is another natural disaster. Okay, so Alfredo, it is important to have a battery radius. Um, radio, battery radio. Okay, excellent. Yes, that's it. You're right. Thank you very much. Yes, it's metal from it's an element, a chemical element. Thank you. And yes, the thing to use to calculate the area of a circle also. It is in, oh, what is the area? It's mathematics, but it's geometry. Yes, it is geometry. Okay, so yes, we may need also some antiseptic ointment. An antiseptic ointment could be, for example, like vitacilina. Do you consider that antiseptic ointment could be useful? The gauze pads, we call them into Spanish gasas. Okay, so let's check the context. Remind there are synonyms. Yes, that's it. Okay, yeah, so we need, I think that it is necessary also some antiseptic ointment. Antiseptic ointment is not only useful for curing, for healing or wounds, but also for avoiding any infection. So, well, I will have some antiseptic ointment. Do you know any other? Well, the one that I know is the Vaseline. But do you know any other that could be very effective? Okay, so when everybody needs first aid kits, we could find them easily. Yes, that's it. You're right. I totally agree with you. The antiseptic ointment is the Ramicina. Yes, I think so. Well, maybe the brand name is Vitacina, but I guess that it, yes, the substance, the active substance could be the Ramicina. Okay, well, thank you very much. Okay, so guess what, kids? I would like you uh, to talk to everyone. We are going to take agreements because we are supposed to be helping in a situation of a natural disaster. Okay, this is a dynamics that we are going to do for helping to the communication and interaction. What I expect you to do is to talk, Alfredo, Blanca, Pati, Eduardo, Janet. You are going to talk, everybody together, so that we can organize in a donation for a place where the natural disaster happened. Let's think that the natural disaster was a hurricane, okay? So please help me to organize a donation campaign for a place where a hurricane happened, okay? Could you? If you can't speak, you can do it by the chat. Listo, chicos, vamos a hacer una dinámica. Ok, Blanca, para ti. Vamos a hacer una dinámica en la que ustedes van a platicar, van a ponerse de acuerdo para organizar una donación para una población dañada por un huracán, ¿ok? Hello.
The first thing we need is be what is the kind of needs. And what does the personal needs, I believe.
Excellent, Blanca Patti. Hey, hello, everyone. Are you there?
Then we need that Alfredo, Eduardo, and the others decide what do they can do for these people.
Hello, everyone. Where's everyone? Don't sleep. Okay, kids. If you can't talk, write in the chat, please, but don't sleep.
Janet, what can you do?
Maybe single in the radio. Marca, no, type 999, and we have the gift for you cooperation to the rescue the family in problems, and they sing la 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 la.
In a hurricane, the first thing you need to provide is potable water.
Potable water.
Like, but the UNAM, there are, or there are some some machines. You put the weather is bad, and 5 minutes we have the good weather, and is possible toque UNAM o de rector de UNAM, and please rector, que nos preste el equipo.
Ah, yeah, so lend us the equipment.
Lend us
the equipment.
Okay.
Is that like a vacuum cleaner?
The equipment?
Yes, the equipment. Or how can it will help?
What's your idea, Alfredo, about that equipment?
Equipments. I don't know.
Yeah,
Alfredo, but what does that equipment do?
I don't understand. I don't understand you. Please listen more slow.
Yeah, could you speak a little slower? Hello. You know what? If you consider what does that equipment do? The equipment that you mentioned, Alfredo, that you...
It's portable. Is 30 four, 5, no, 10 kilograms, and the is similar to the maleta. No, I don't know, portfolio. It is same size and the dimensions. No is there is no is complicated, and I know in the ¿cómo se llama? Geophysical, have a 2 or 3. This is machines.
What are those machines for? What is the function of the machine?
Cleaning the water, and is very fast. It's for evita the infections when you drink the water is contaminated. It's a
Purifying.
purifying the water.
Wow.
Yes, and there, I know have of course with the machine the extracting the water of
Extract.
the exact water of the air.
Wow. Hey, that's wonderful.
Yes,
That's pretty good. So, are those equipments available?
yes, is in the disaster in the airware is the last 2 years. The UNAM say put the wiki special wiki for this disaster.
Wow.
Only you write in this week with the wiki y de UNAM te lo prestaba, no sé.
Uh-huh. Oh, hey, that's pretty good. It would be very useful.
Yes.
Very
The
useful.
problem is the no continue building, no continue the research for the small o hacer más pequeños los componentes is the
Uh, for making it smaller.
making it smaller. This is the problem.
That,
The machine work.
hey, that's wonderful. Okay, well, you know what? It has been a nice experience. We were trying to make something like an interaction exercise. This kind of exercises is part of the speaking examination when you are doing the examination for having a certification. So it is good that we get used to do this kind of exercises. Uh, Kids, I thank you so much for your participation, for your attention, and for your attendance. So I don't know if you want to say any commentary or to ask any question. No? All right. Well, thank you very much for your brilliant participation and for your attendance. Meet you next class. Have a very good night. Oh, thank you, Patty. I do too. I love that you are here. Thank you. Have a very good night.